Once upon a time, in the middle of the forest, there was a river. In that river, there lived an old crocodile. He was not able to hunt anymore because he was very weak. One day, he was very hungry.
Oh, it is very difficult to hunt anymore on land now.
Then he sat under a tree. The monkey saw the crocodile and asked, "Why are you so sad, crocodile? Take some apples. They are very tasty."
Thank you, dear monkey. Can you please give me these apples every day?
"Okay, crocodile." And the monkey gave the crocodile some apples. And the crocodile ate the apples every day. One day, he thought to eat the monkey's heart. So he thought an idea. He asked the monkey that, "My friend wants to meet you." The monkey was very happy and said that, "Yes, I will be very happy to meet them." He sat on the crocodile's back. But when they were in the middle of the river, the crocodile told the monkey that,
I want to eat your heart, and now I can eat that.
The monkey thought of a plan and said the crocodile that, "Crocodile, I forgot my heart on the tree." The crocodile said to the monkey that,
Go and take your heart from the tree and give it to me.
The monkey said to the crocodile that, "What a foolish crocodile you are! How can you take your heart from your body? And I gave you so sweet apples every day, but now I will never give you those apples because you are not my friend." The crocodile was very hungry and realized his mistake. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that presence of mind often saves us. Secondly, it tells us that choose your friends wisely. Thank you. Please like and subscribe